So right now I am over here to wash my car and just want to discuss few things with all of you. So let's start the vlog ahead. So in upcoming days I am planning to make all the vlogs regarding how you should prepare for Ladakh ride and what things you need to carry and how your bike should be made with carrier and all the luggage stuff and in the comfortable way, so that if you are planning for Ladakh ride in future, whenever if you want to go, then you can find out some help. Like I am not that much इतना professional तो नहीं हूँ, but जितना हो सकेगा उतना help आपको दे पाऊँगा मेरे videos से. Many of you guys know that I am going to Ladakh, yeah. So I am just preparing myself in the best way for Ladakh. And if you're not following me on Instagram for the daily updates regarding Ladakh, then you can just follow me on the Instagram ID flashing over here. Okay. So let me just give you a short update regarding what I'm gonna do and when I'm going to leave for Ladakh. थोड़ा dates में इधर उधर हो रहा है and we are like two groups. एक group जो होगा they will leave little bit early and I am planning to leave on June first week. So dates are still not finalized क्योंकि मेरी wife का थोड़ा holidays और उसका थोड़ा problem है. As soon as she gets leave from her college, we will plan accordingly. Yeah, the route we'll be choosing for Ladakh will be from Baroda, then Ahmedabad जाएंगे, फिर आगे जाके राजस्थान कोई अच्छा route ले लेंगे. And all the updates regarding the route and the dates will be finalized and updated on Instagram. So this Ladakh vlogs which will be coming, वो सब आएगा. That would be I guess a first vlog from Gujarat, Baroda to Ladakh on a motorcycle, like riding from here to Ladakh and coming back from Ladakh to Baroda. मैं मेरा बाइक शिफ्ट नहीं करने वाला हूँ. मैं मेरा बाइक यहाँ से चला के जाऊँगा, old model Bullet, and I'll be coming back. I'll try my best to come back to Baroda on the bike without shipping it. And this ride to Ladakh is not going to be a normal ride, because Ladakh के साथ दूसरी भी एक जगह जा रहे हैं हम लोग, and those are deadliest roads in the world, which most of the guys they recommended me not to do this roads on the old model because power और उसमें थोड़ा problem आएगा. But I thought कि यार अगर adventure करना हो तो this roads are must. So we'll be going from here to Ladakh, and after Ladakh we'll take the Manali wala route. We won't be going to Manali, but we'll be taking an exit from Kilong or Tandi, and from there we'll enter Killer Kishtwar route. Killer Kishtwar के बाद we will be doing Sach Pass, which is the world's deadliest road. But अगर हो पाएगा तो ही करेंगे. I am not confirming, and I will be riding the bike which I am using. That is old model 1981, 37 years old, ridden by me since last 14 years. Yesterday actually I went to Bunty, the guy who looks after my bike. He's my mechanic, and you can just check out how my bike is getting prepared. So उसके पास लेके गया, थोड़ा ऑयल लीकेज था over here on the head part. तो जैसे हेड खोला तो उसमें बहुत सारे इश्यूज निकला. So it was a good thing that we were able to identify all the problems before going to Ladakh. मैं तो खुलाने वाला था ही नहीं. अगर नहीं खुला था तो आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम आ सकता था. So अभी ये क्लच प्लेट्स चेंज किया, हेड, पिस्टन, ब्लॉक सब कुछ रिपेयर किया, नया हो गया टोटल. And 70% of the engine was made in within 4 hours. So by the way, today is 14th May 2018 and आज मेरे एक सब्सक्राइबर का बर्थडे. So let's call him. 10-15 दिन पहले मैंने उसके पास नंबर लिया था, बट उसको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि I forgot. So I'll be calling Ishan Pandya and wish him happy birthday. Hello, who's this? Ishan from where? Vidyanagar. Okay, Ishan, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Today is your birthday, right? If I'm not wrong.
Huh?
Today is your birthday, right?
Right.
Yeah, so guess who am I?
I don't know.
No, a few days back you gave me your number.
Oh, Joy.
Yeah. How are you?
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you are on camera right now. Hope you won't mind, no? If I put this on my vlog.
No problem. You can.
It's fine, no?
Fine.
Yeah. Now I'll be speaking with him for some time and I'll get back to you in few minutes. Sure. So now my bike is completely ready. ये सब जितना भी ऑयल लीकेज था वो बंद हो गया है. ब्लॉक, पिस्टन, हेड, हर एक के वाल और एवरीथिंग हैज बीन ग्राइंडेड एंड वाल लैपिंग हो गया है एंड इट्स रेडी टू गो टू लद्दाख. एंड अभी एक ही काम बाकी है, दैट इज़ जो ये एक्सेल है नीचे, किधर है, ये जो एक्सेल है ये वाला, इसका जो थ्रेड होता है आटे वो छटक रहा है, ये जो नट है बराबर नहीं चढ़ रहा है. सो इट कैन गिव अ वेरी बिग इश्यू ऑन आवर राइड. ये छूट के गिर सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो वी बेटर प्लान टू फिक्स इट ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे. सो दिस इज़ द डे 2 and right now I am over here at the garage. Yeah, this is it and I will be ending up this vlog over here. This was just an update vlog and if you like this video, do give a like to this video, share this video with your friends, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, do subscribe it and press the bell icon and ride safe, always wear a helmet. अभी बहुत कुछ आने वाला है बॉस. लद्दाख, किल्लर किश्तवाड़ and such pass, and I'm sure that you will be very happy watching all those stuff. So journey of Baroda to Ladakh will be starting from now.